dress as warmly as you can. Snowfall continues to pull away, and that's good today. Really nothing much going on off to the west. There are a few snow showers and flurries, but I just don't think any of that activity moves this far down to the south and east. So for today, look for a mix of sun and clouds, as there will be some sunshine around. It'll be a little breezy at times and cold. 33 West Milford, Teaneck at 35, and Lakewood at about 37. For tonight, gradually skies become mostly cloudy again. There could be a few flurries toward daybreak. 19 in West Milford, Teaneck at 22, and Lakewood about 25. Now, there is a small craft advisory for the ocean. Winds and waves will be a little rough out there, and the visibility will be just fine at around 10 miles. Some very impressive totals here across the Garden State, as you can see. Once again, if you get a second, send me an email, njweather@news12.com. Let me know how much snowfall you receive. So the heaviest of snowfall continues to move away. Nothing much going out to the west. There'll be a few extra clouds throughout the day. For tomorrow, extra clouds with a few snow showers and 35. Saturday, unfortunately, a lot of clouds out there, maybe a few flurries and 33. Lots of sunshine returns for Sunday and 31. Monday, some high thin clouds, only 28. Could be another bit of a mix on Tuesday. We'll keep you updated, about 32. Wednesday, sunshine and clouds, 29. For Thursday, look for mostly sunny skies with highs around 30. This is News 12 Traffic and Weather. Now, before you go.
News 12 Traffic and Weather is brought to you by Optimum. Add Optimum Online and Optimum Voice for just $29.95 a month each for a year and get an iPod Touch or $200 back.
You're still overpaying the phone company for their old phone service and slow internet? I've got good news.
Now get a free iPod Touch or $200 back when you switch to Optimum Online and Optimum Voice for just $29.95 a month each for a year.
Call 1-866-255-33 and get faster internet and smarter phone service.
2 award-winning Optimum services, only $29.95 a month each, plus a free iPod Touch or $200 back.
IOTV customers, don't just call today. Call now.
Good morning, I'm Russ Meyer with your News 12 traffic update. Let's check things out for you with a look at roads in northeastern New Jersey. First up, it's going to be rough going all around the state, but the better road conditions seem to be around Bergen and Passaic counties. Check out what's happening on 17 over by Route 4. We are down to the pavement across all lanes, and traffic is moving well. And also same deal on Route 80 here by the Parkway in Saddlebrook. That's westbound on the right. Now take it just a little further west, and we have a big difference in road conditions. Here's Route 80, where we have just 2 lanes getting by ever so slowly. Those are the westbound lanes on the right. Now looks like we've got a car got himself stuck in the snow over on the left as well. So crews are attending to that. Eastbound traffic, you can't see it right now, but it is moving at the same slow pace. How about traffic into the city? That should not be an issue this morning, as a lot of folks are just staying put or going with the train. Here on our Tri-State Jeep camera, you can see that George has no delays. Citybound at the Lincoln Tunnel, everything looks good. And over at the Holland Tunnel, no slowdowns to report from either approach. Now, a few incidents are out there as well. West along 280, the off-ramp for Prospect Avenue is closed with a stall. Also, the eastbound Route 78 off-ramp for exit 58 is closed with a stalled bus and a stalled tractor-trailer. And an accident closes the westbound Route 78 local lanes over by exit 57, so stick with the express lanes. Statewide, the speed limit on the turnpike is at 35 miles an hour. Also, you have got over in Dunellen the closure of Warrenville Road and North Washington Avenue between Rock Road and Route 22 because of hazardous driving conditions. Here's a look at the Parkway at the Raritan Tolls northbound on the right. Actually not that bad, just be careful. 30-minute delays on NJ Transit service on the Raritan Valley line between High Bridge and Raritan remains suspended, though. Path with 15-minute delays. No, before you go.
Well, there you go.